Police reports can be wrong. I'm Omar Reed, and I've settled over 1,000 personal injury claims. I have a case right now where the police report doesn't match the photos. Most things in a police report are hearsay. They are just writing down statements from potential witnesses, from the parties to the accident, and then they may come up with a conclusion. Sometimes I've seen that conclusion can be wrong. So in this particular case that I'm thinking about right now, I looked at the photos from the collision, and the defendant driver is saying that my client tried to squeeze in between his car and the car that was ahead of him, and that it was my client's fault. But when I looked at the damage to the car, all of it was to the rear bumper. I got the police officer to admit that his conclusion was solely based upon the defendant's statements and not necessarily the physical damage. Also, I got him to admit that all of the statements included in the police report were hearsay upon hearsay, meaning the police officer told me that he wrote the statements in this booklet that he has since thrown away, and then from that booklet, he then transcribed the police report. So it wasn't his actual notes, but notes on his actual notes. And more importantly, the photos just show a completely different picture of what happened during the accident than what he stated and what the two witnesses stated, meaning my client and the defendant.